Remember that iconic scene in Jaws? The one where the giant shark emerges from the depths, sending chills down your spine? The giant shark, the ominous music, the sheer terror, it's a classic, right? A scene that has defined how many of us view sharks. But how much of it reflects reality? Are these fearsome creatures really the monsters we imagine them to be? The truth is, great white sharks, while impressive predators, are far more nuanced and fascinating than Hollywood portrays. They are complex beings with behaviors that are both intriguing and essential to the marine environment. They are not mindless, killing machines constantly on the hunt for human prey. In fact, attacks on humans are extremely rare and often a case of mistaken identity. They are intelligent creatures playing a vital role in the delicate balance of our oceans. Their presence helps maintain the health of marine ecosystems by controlling the population of other species. This essay delves into the world of these magnificent creatures, separating fact from fiction. We will uncover the truths that lie beneath the surface. We'll explore their lives, behaviors, and the crucial role they play in maintaining healthy marine ecosystems. From their hunting techniques to their social structures, there's so much to learn. More importantly, we will challenge the myths and misconceptions that have plagued them for decades, shedding light on the reality of their existence. Ultimately, understanding why their conservation is not just important but essential. Protecting these apex predators ensures the continued health and diversity of our oceans. Great white sharks, scientifically known as the ocean's apex predators. Their range is vast, spanning across cool coastal waters worldwide. From the shores of South Africa to the coast of California, these majestic creatures rule the depths. Physically, they are an impressive sight. Their torpedo-shaped bodies, built for speed and agility, can reach lengths of over 20 feet. Their iconic white underside contrasts sharply with their grey upper bodies, providing camouflage in the water column. And then there are the teeth. Rows upon rows of serrated teeth, constantly replaced throughout their lifetime, are perfectly designed for tearing through flesh. Despite their fearsome reputation, humans are not on the great white's menu. Their diet primarily consists of marine mammals such as seals, sea lions, and small whales. They are opportunistic feeders, meaning they will take advantage of whatever prey is most readily available. Their hunting techniques are both fascinating and brutal. They rely on surprise attacks, often launching themselves vertically out of the water with their prey in their jaws. This powerful bite, combined with their incredible speed, makes them highly efficient hunters. Great white sharks are solitary creatures, often spending their lives roaming vast distances in search of food and mates. They are highly intelligent animals, capable of learning and adapting to their surroundings. Contrary to popular belief, they are not mindless, killing machines. They are curious creatures, often investigating objects in their environment with their mouths. One of the most fascinating aspects of their behavior is their ability to regulate their body temperature. Unlike most fish, great whites are partially warm-blooded, allowing them to inhabit colder waters. This adaptation, combined with their keen senses, makes them formidable hunters, perfectly adapted to their role as apex predators. The image of a great white shark as a man-eating monster is a pervasive one, fueled by sensationalized media and movies like Jaws. These portrayals have created a deep-seated fear in the public's mind, painting these magnificent creatures as ruthless predators. However, the reality is far less terrifying. Great white sharks are not the mindless killers they are often made out to be. While great whites are responsible for a small number of attacks on humans each year, these incidents are exceedingly rare when compared to other risks we face daily. These incidents are often cases of mistaken identity. Sharks do not naturally prey on humans. Surfers and swimmers, particularly in areas with large seal populations, are more likely to be mistaken for seals, which are a primary food source for great whites. From below, the silhouette of a surfer or swimmer can resemble that of a seal, especially in murky waters. A great white, relying on its senses to hunt, uses its keen sense of smell and ability to detect vibrations to locate prey. In the process, it may mistake a human for a seal, leading to an unfortunate encounter. However, these encounters are typically brief. Once the shark realizes the human is not its usual prey, it often swims away. Most attacks are not fatal. The shark's initial bite is often investigatory rather than predatory. In many cases, the shark will release the human after realizing it is not its usual prey. This behavior underscores the fact that humans are not on the menu for great white sharks. Section 6. The numbers game, shark attacks versus other risks. It's important to put the risk of shark attacks into perspective. While the idea of encountering a shark can be terrifying, the actual statistics tell a different story. You are far more likely to be struck by lightning, which is a rare event in itself, or die in a car accident, which is unfortunately a more common occurrence than to be attacked by a shark. The odds of a shark attack are incredibly low. In fact, humans pose a much greater threat to sharks than vice versa. Our activities in the ocean have a significant impact on their populations. Millions of sharks are killed each year due to overfishing, habitat destruction, and the demand for their fins. These practices are unsustainable and harmful. The demand for shark fins in particular has led to a dramatic decline in shark numbers, pushing some species to the brink of extinction. The fear surrounding great whites is often disproportionate to the actual danger they pose. Media portrayals can exaggerate the threat, leading to unnecessary fear. By understanding the true nature of these creatures and their behaviors and dispelling the myths that surround them, we can foster a more accurate perception. We can begin to appreciate their importance in the marine ecosystem. Sharks play a crucial role in maintaining the health of our oceans and work towards their conservation. Protecting sharks is essential for the balance of marine life and the overall health of our planet's oceans. Section 7. Guardians of the Deep. Why we need great whites. Great white sharks are a vital part of a healthy ocean ecosystem. As apex predators, they play a crucial role in regulating populations of their prey species. This balance is essential for maintaining the health of marine environments. Their presence helps to prevent overgrazing of kelp forests by controlling sea urchin populations. This in turn provides habitat and food sources for a wide variety of marine life. Without great whites, the delicate balance of the ocean ecosystem would be disrupted, leading to potentially catastrophic consequences. Section 8. Conservation challenges. Protecting an apex predator. Despite their importance, great white sharks face numerous threats. Overfishing, habitat destruction, and climate change all pose significant challenges to their survival. Their slow reproductive rate makes them particularly vulnerable to population decline. International conservation efforts are underway to protect this iconic species. These include fishing regulations, marine protected areas, and public awareness campaigns aimed at dispelling myths and promoting understanding. However, more needs to be done to ensure their long-term survival. Section 9. A call to action. Our role in their future. The future of the great white shark rests in our hands. By challenging our perceptions, supporting conservation efforts, and promoting responsible ocean stewardship, we can help to ensure that these magnificent creatures continue to roam the oceans for generations to come. It's time to move beyond the fear and embrace the wonder. Let's rewrite the narrative surrounding great white sharks. They are not monsters, they are essential guardians of our oceans, deserving of our respect and protection.